Kevilton Nature Series, bringing the soul of nature into the heart of your living space.
The Manusath Derana-Dialog flood relief operation continues to support communities affected by the severe weather. Donors from across the country are joining hands with Manusath Derana, providing essential items that are swiftly dispatched to multiple regions. Meanwhile, the 4x4 Club partnered with Manusath Derana last night to deliver aid to several areas sequestered by the recent inclement weather. Supplies were transported to Kotmale and distributed among families residing in safety centres. Manusath Derana teams also reached Panwila Kandy with urgently needed assistance. Meanwhile, residents in Anuradhapura, Mahavilachya and Katiyana also received crucial aid. Today as well, many contributors arrived at the Derana headquarters in Colombo with essential goods and other donations. In addition, Manusath Derana, together with Leeson's Hospital Ragama, distributed meals to affected families in Pubudugama Kandana.